To resolve issues with Zapto Wallet Cash, a convenient online grocery delivery service offering a wide range of products, including fresh items, snacks, and household essentials. Start by accessing the app's information. Go to the home screen. Hold the Zapto app and click on the info icon. Next, navigate to the storage section. Clear data and clear all data. Then confirm by clicking OK. This should fix the problems if the issue persists. Consider upgrading the Zapto app if updates are available, as this can also resolve the issues. As a last resort, uninstalling and reinstalling the application will likely fix the problems with Zapto Wallet Cash. Zapto is known for its fast delivery, often within minutes, making it a convenient option for those needing goods on short notice.